Hi, we're pleased to share this case study and overview of how we use Google Web Toolkit GWT to build advanced data virtualization. I'm Mike Zuckerman, the Queplix Chief Marketing Officer, and I'll be pleased to overview this for you today. Queplix is a data integration and data management company, and one of our core strategies for bringing advanced data virtualization technology to market was to find the right partners in the right development environment. Google provided that environment for us with the Google Web Toolkit. Google Web Toolkit was essential for us to build out the kind of interface that we wanted for our customers and our users. We wanted to support business users, not programmers alone. And Google Web Toolkit gave us everything we needed to leverage their capability for our success. The problem we solve is bridging applications across a diverse landscape, and this requires that we bring together all of these business objects in a way that they're easily navigated by the end users, by the business managers, and by some of the IT team. Google Web Toolkit powers our delivery of advanced data virtualization. We use the full spectrum of the capabilities in Google Web Toolkit. Queplix had developed on the GWT platform starting with the initial release, and we contributed to the project to deliver functionality to enterprise customers. We selected GWT because we could use Java and not anything else. It's the core of what we needed to do. We needed the same look and feel, the same kinds of code branches without too much disruption. And GWT gave us the scalability and performance to drive thousands and thousands of user sessions. GWT gave us a rich set of core widgets and custom controls and just much, much more. And you can see how it's come together for us. We have a very clean interface, wonderfully navigated, and our customers tell us, based upon competitive products, that we've done a better job with the user interface than any other virtualization or integration product they've seen. This kind of interface was essential for supporting the large enterprise customers we've deployed around the world. Google Web Toolkit, for those of you that don't know, is a development toolkit for building and optimizing browser-based apps. You can write high-performance, standards-compliant using Ajax, which gives you a very fast front end to your applications. And you don't need to be an expert in JavaScript, right? You don't need to worry about that. The best part is that it's open source, completely free, and it's used by thousands and thousands of developers today. And of course, the Google products use GWT. GWT works by compiling Java code into optimized JavaScript that can run in any web browser. It includes mobile devices. You can use all your Java libraries and engines and brand new web games. It cuts down on the complexity of cross-browser JavaScript programming, and it just gives you a lot more power to do more things in a much simpler way. The toolkit's very easy to deploy. You have a plugin that spans the gap between Java bytecode and the browser's JavaScript, which makes it really easy to debug GWT. And let's face it, we have many browsers out there today. Our customers do use Google Chrome, but they use IE and they also use Firefox. So this really makes it easy for us. Google Web Toolkit also gives you a general purpose SDK with all the pieces that you need, Speed Tracer Chrome extension for tracking performance, the Eclipse plugin for GWT in the App Engine, and then the designer to do drop and drag. These are the basic components you get. It's what's out of the box. Finally, you can take all these libraries that you have, as I said earlier, you can reuse them, you can optimize JavaScript applications without being a JavaScript expert, and you can handle all these browser-specific quirks by being able to ignore them. What could be better? So you too can develop amazing products with Google Web Toolkit. Check out the Google blog at http://googlewebtoolkit.blogspot.com. And for more information on their app engine, follow the URL here or just search on the Google App Engine from www.google.com. Advanced Data Virtualization, as you may know, enables you to integrate anything, objects, relational, API, any kind of application you have, custom app, and anything in between, whether cloud or on-premise based, without using SQL, without using programming. And it's the same user experience everywhere you go. That's the power of Advanced Data Virtualization. And the capability in our UI is due to the incredible benefits that we've realized by using Google Web Toolkit. Advanced Data Virtualization is the next wave. We have seen waves in storage and server and desktop and applications, and this is the wave that virtualizes data elements from the databases. It gives you a services-oriented architecture compliant data services layer, and it opens up the data in every application you have and every data structure you have to the next new applications you want to build. It saves money, increases performance, and reduces your deployment time, and it's business user ready. No SQL or programming is required for most of what you'll do in any given application deployment. To find out more about QCloud, go to www.google.com and select YouTube. Search on Advanced Data Virtualization or search on Queplix. So go to YouTube and find us under Advanced Data Virtualization or Queplix. We do have a freemium offer right now to deploy your personal QCloud. If you're a developer, or you're a technologist, or you're just plain interested in trying data integration in the cloud, we'll set you up. We'll give you 3 application software blades for any relational data structures you have, MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft, DB2, whatever it is. And we'll give you connectivity to Google Search Appliance, to Google OAuth, and to Google Contacts. We'll give you everything you need to wrap a wonderful Google environment around some of your relational apps and see how far, how fast, and how quick you can go using data integration in the cloud with QCloud. It's a great offer. It's not time limited. You can run 6 integration instances, and we'd be delighted to work with you to understand your deployment needs. So check out our free registration and QCloud setup on our website, www.queplix.com, and find out more about us on YouTube and search on the term shown. Thank you for spending time with me. Have a great day. We'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye-bye.